Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I adjusted my backdrop. Does it look better? I hope so. Anyways, so today I wanted to try out these Ardell magnetic lashes. I feel like I've seen like in a thumbnail some people doing magnetic lashes, but I've never like watched a video on them if I remember correctly. I don't think I watched any. So like they're just supposed to be like super easy, gently remove. It like gives you instructions and whatnot, and it's still taped shut. So I got these for $10 at Marshalls. So let's see here. I saw these and I was like, oh, let's film a video on the magnetic lashes. Because honestly, like if these are good, can you imagine? But I feel like if they are good, more people would be wearing them. So I don't know. I do have mascara on, but I feel like I always put mascara on before I put on lashes. It comes with an upper and an under. It says, let's see here. I'm kind of afraid. The upper ones are longer than the under ones. Like they're like the band is thicker. But I feel like you can't trim these because you'll cut off the magnet. There's 4 magnets on there, 2 on the outside and then 2 like in the middle kind of. I'm kind of afraid. They're really light though. Like, do you put on the top or the bottom first? I don't know. Probably the top and then just like get the bottom ones to like magnetize on. Honestly, I'm really afraid. This is weird. Okay, that's kind of like on there. I don't know. I should probably read the instructions. It says, gently remove upper magnetic lash from tray and lay on top of your natural lash line. Gently remove under magnetic lash from tray and place between your natural lash line to connect. Place beneath your natural lash line to connect 2 magnetic lashes together. I'm afraid that these are just gonna like snap. Ooh, I'm nervous though. These are doubles. Oh my gosh, part of the lashes just ripped off and they're like still stuck to the package. This is nerve-wracking. I mean, like, so you guys in. I feel like I just rushed into this video, but honestly, ugh, my top, like, wow. Ugh. So that's low-key, like, I kind of like it. It's like, it's much more comfortable than regular lashes, and it almost looks more natural. And it was so much easier to put on. Like, honestly, real tea here, I like it. I mean, I didn't, like, it's not, like, lined up perfectly, because it, like, I would have to, like, play with it more and, like, practice getting it, like, centered and whatnot, because, like, once you get them magnetized, there's, like, no going back. They're stuck on there. But you can, like, squeeze them together, and then it's, like, they're not moving, which is amazing, honestly. Can you guys tell? That's, honestly, let's put the other ones on, because this is kind of cool. Pardon my wonky makeup. I know I'm not the biggest fan of today's makeup. Oh, that wasn't my best choice. Oh, they're stuck to the tweezers. How do you like, can you guys see that? How do you like separate them once they're like stuck on there and they're too far out? I'll try that again. Do you see that? Like outer corner, I like can't get it on. I'm kind of struggling. In case you missed it. On this side is fine, but like this one, I can't get it to. It won't like line up. I'm determined. Kind of. So it's like a little bit close to the edges of, like a little bit too close to the edges of my lashes. But honestly, you guys get the idea. If, like, I low-key like these a lot. Like, if you can get them lined up right, it would look really good. Like, this one, and like, honestly, like, perks of this is that if you take them off, it doesn't look like you had lashes on and then you took them off. Like, it doesn't leave, like, a line. But, issues is, like, they're kind of hard to apply, but I still feel like they'd be easier than, like, your, like, regular lashes, especially if you're a beginner, because, like, regular lashes, if you don't put them on right and you're trying to, like, move them and adjust them, it can be a pain and you can, like, make a mess. But with these, like, if you have to take them off and, like, redo them, it's not that big of a deal. Like, you're not going to mess up your makeup, you know? The issue, though, is that, like, it doesn't want to, like, form to the eye. Yes, I think I did it. But yeah, like, if you could get them, like, lined up perfectly, it would be so good, honestly. Like, it's so much easier, I think, than, like, regular lashes, but you get the same effect, and you can take them off and not worry about it, you know? Or, like, adjust them. If it's, like, bothering you, you can just take them off and adjust them. Like, you know, this is such a good idea, honestly. I'm a fan. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about these, like, down below, if you think you could use them. Like, obviously, I don't have them lined up perfectly, and they're not even. Like, trying to, like, get this inner part to not look crazy would be interesting. But you guys get the idea. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and like this video on your way out, because honestly, like, why wouldn't you? But no, like, I'm trying to grow, of course. And don't forget to check out my Instagram. It's at Make Up My Smile. What else? I think that's that. And my Twitter, because I've been trying to use Twitter more. Yeah. I think that's it. I'm trying to post more often, you guys, I swear. Okay, I will see you guys next time. Bye!